بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. As we mentioned in the last part, we need to find the variance and the standard deviation for group data. We gave one example, and this will be another example how to find the variance and the standard deviation for grouped data. In the last part, we gave the formula for the standard deviation or for the variance. It was given by s square equal to n multiplied by sigma of f times xm square minus sigma of f times x sub whole square divided by n times n minus 1, where xm is the midpoint of the class and n will be the total number of the frequencies. We are going to apply this again in this example. I need to find the variance and the standard deviation of the frequency distribution. We are given 5 classes with the frequencies, and we need to find the variance and the standard deviation. So in the first step, we have to find the midpoints. The midpoints are just the sum of the lower boundary plus the upper boundary divided by 2. I have 4.5 plus 11.5. So xm will be lower plus upper divided by 2, which is 4.5 plus 11.5 divided by 2. This is 16 divided by 2 equal to 8. So the first one is 8. We can see that the class width, the value equal to 7. So all what I need just to add the class width to the first midpoint. No need to repeat the process, the lower boundary plus the upper boundary divided by 2. Now since we found the first one, I can add the class width, which is equal to 7 in our case. So 8 plus 7 will be 15, plus 7, 22, plus 7, 29, plus 7 is 36. So these are the midpoints. Now let's square the midpoints. X sub m square. First one will give me 64. Next one will be 225. Next one, which is 22 times square, that will be 482, or it is 484, 484, 29 square, 841, 36 square is 1296. Now for the next step, I need to find the product of f multiplied by xm, second and the third column. 4 times 8 is 32. 8 times 15 will be 120. 3 times 22 is 66. 6 times 29, that will be 174. And 2 times 36 is 72. And the sigma for this one, we need to find the sum. And to find the sum for this column. So I have 32 plus 120 plus 66 plus 174 plus 72. So it will be 464. Now next column, I need to find f multiplied by xm square. So 4 times 64 is 256. 8 multiplied by 225. 8 multiplied by 225 is 1080. Now 3 multiplied by 484. 3 multiplied by 484 is 1452. Next one, 6 times 841. 6 multiplied by 841 is 5046. Next one, or the last one will be 2 multiplied by 1000. 1, 2, 96. That will be 2592. So I need to find the total for this one. F multiplied by xm squared. Just add these values. Let's find the sigma. So I have 256 plus 1800 plus 1452 plus 5046 plus 2592. That will be 1146. Now we can find the variance. Just apply the formula, or before that I have to find n. N is the sum of the frequencies, which is equal to, let's add the frequency. I have 4 plus 8 is 12, 15, 21, 23. So this is 23. N equal to 23. So the variance is square is equal to 23 multiplied by sigma f times xn squared is this one, 1146 minus sigma of fxm all to power 2, it will be 464 divided by 23 multiplied by 23 minus 1 is equal to, that is 23 multiplied by 11,146. That will give me 256, 358 minus 464 square will be 20 or 215,296 divided by 23 times 22. 506, and this is equal to 256,358 minus 296 equal to 41,061 divided by 506, which is equal to 81 point 81.15. So the variance equal to 81.15. For the standard deviation, is is equal to square root of 81.15. Square root of 81.15 is equal to approximated equal to 9. So this is the standard deviation for this grouped frequency distribution. So this is the idea of, or this is the technique of how to find the variance and the standard deviation for grouped data. Again, we are speaking about grouped data. Variance is square equal to n multiplied by sigma of f times xm square minus f times xm all square divided by n times n minus 1. And the standard deviation will be the square root of the variance.